I'm gonna talk about my website creation for the travel diaries theme, and let's start with the introduction first. So, my goal for the travel diary website is to create an engaging platform for users to have more choices to decide where to go. And the target audience is nature travelers who enjoy capturing memories from their trips, and also the website aims to inspire users to explore new destinations by providing some vivid descriptions, photos, and tips for places I have visited. Also, it is a great way for the armchair travelers who want to experience the world from home. I think it's really a simple way and also an interesting way for them to uh, search the most beautiful place in the world. So let's start with the introductions. First, I'm gonna talk about the hometown of my website, as you can see now, and I have made a logo with the travel diary and the Earth surrounded like a planet, and beside beside it, it's like a mission about my travel website, and also there's a music button that when you click on it, it will play the music with the background music. And also I make a hamburger menu with a hover on that. When you put your mouse over it, it will show change your colors to light blue. And the blue is like the theme color of my website. I use these all the kinds of values, different values of blues to show it. And also there's an introduction with a classical design that when you click to learn more about it, it will show the rest of the informations. I make this one to ensure that it will have no more content. So one of my favorite place in this homepage is like they have a traveling space view with the photo galleries, and I made such a transition animation on it. When you mouse over on it, you can see that there's a floating text, and this makes me a lot of time to do it. And I made four the special specified traveling spaces on it. So when you just click on this one, it will get to the diaries page. You will get the diaries page, and there's a like a table. I made a whole table of the different the space introductions, and when you mouse click on the pictures, it will have a hover on it, and also when you the best part I think it's that when you mouse over on the one of each table, it will change your background color, which may make you feel clearly to see the text. And I think it's a good design for me to look at the text more clearable. So, and at the about page, I have made like a mission or just a brief introduction on it, and I changed the opacity of that, so it will not cost so much more time for the users to look at it. And also, I have made such a slideshow on it, and it will change your photos for 2 or 3 seconds, and I made it automatically so you don't need to click like a photo button to move it. I think it's really easy for users to look. And also there's a brief introduction to introduce the website about the travel diaries and give some choices for the users if they want to do their own travel diary things. So the next brief introduction is about the more clearly introduction for the website, as you can sharing my travel spaces for the users to choose which they may want to go in the future. And also the contact page, I have made input box with which it contains your name, your email, and you can put your names on it, like an email. It is inputable, and also I have made a really great design about the classable question and answer things that when you have made like simple questions that the users may want to ask and give them answers on that. So if they feel confused about the websites doing things, they can just click the question button and find the answers on it. I like this design book because I think it's really useful for the users to find what they want immediately and don't need to text message to some like others. So I'm gonna show the fix. You can see that the navigation bar is fixed when I just go down, and it is all at the top. And also when you click the logo buttons, it will get to the home page. And also as I have mentioned before, when you click the like this button, you can go to the diaries page, so it is clickable. And I'm gonna show you about the responsive things that in my hometown page. So when you just when you just click it, it will show visible things like this one. So I think it is work about it. And I'm gonna introduce some my interesting parts. It's like how I make this. I made a function like in the HTML and also both in the CSS document, which is really challenging for me to do it because after they select one of the figures, subtitles will show. I did many changes about the position of figures and subtitles, and finally I make it. Also, I like the headlines of my logo titles because I set up like 3 lines of the names of travel diaries in the HTML, and I use the different effects of each of my 3 lines of text in the CSS. Through the difference in color and the positions, I change the positions in the CSS so it may looks like a visual 3-dimensional sense. And also the part I like is like the tables of the diary sharing. I like the background changing, make a hover on it, which may make the users more clearly to see the text. And also the about page, I like the slideshow. I think it's automatically, and I have learned much more about making a wonderful website through this course. So if I have more time, I think I may make more pages to my website, such as the tour guide sharing the audience's travel related routes. So that's it. Thank you.